information on the tragic death of a Genesee County Sheriff Sergeant in the line of duty and the violence that led up to the fatal encounter. His children also remembering their hero.
My dad, my dad was one of a kind. An amazing dad, son, brother, and co-worker.
Sergeant Thomas Sanfratello was on the job when his life came to an end, and now police are sharing new details about what happened that tragic night at Batavia Downs. Good afternoon, I'm Karen Edwards. Matt will join us at 6. 2 suspects have been arrested in connection to the case. We've also learned bystanders rushed to Sanfratello's aid in a desperate attempt to save his life. We're also hearing from one of his children today. We begin with 13 Wham's Jackie Napier and the new details from law enforcement today. Jackie.
Good evening, Karen. Police say just before Sergeant Sanfratello was assaulted, he can be seen on video, smiling, laughing, and talking to casino goers. According to his colleagues, that's just the kind of man the 32-year veteran was, and now we're learning more about the timeline of tragic events.
At about 12:45 hours, there was a report of a disturbance in the 34 Rush Bar located inside Batavia Downs. Sergeant Sanfratello responded to the bar along with security members of the Batavia Downs. The 2 individuals that were causing the disturbance were asked to leave.
At that point, police say Lyndsey Wilcox and Michael Elmore became, quote, very violent, allegedly striking Sanfratello as they resisted arrest.
The male defendant removed a large piece of jewelry from around his neck, a chain or a metal thick rope that was used during the struggle. So I can't get into the details of what happened with that, but it was used as part of the attack.
Despite life-saving efforts, the sergeant did not survive. Michael Elmore has been charged with aggravated manslaughter, but the district attorney declined to share details on what prompted that specific charge.
Is part of the investigation, and that's certainly going to be significantly answered when we get an autopsy report. We can't really address at this point the mechanics of the death.
Batavia police say there are security cameras inside the casino, but they continue to ask for help from witnesses.
Any video that we can get from any angle is important to us to identify potential witnesses in other actions that may have occurred that may have been outside of the cameras of the casino itself. So that is extremely important to us to be able to identify anything else that's out there.
If any witnesses would like to provide video of the incident at Batavia Downs, go to our website, 13wham.com, for a link to the police submission form. Karen.
Jackie, thank you. Sergeant Sanfratello is survived by his 3 children, his son Ian, sharing today the kind of person his father was.
My dad was one of a kind. An amazing dad, son, brother, and co-worker. He loved my sisters, Lexi and Kyla, with all of his heart and loved to spend time with us. I know we will all cherish the memories we have with him. He will never be forgotten, and he will be missed immensely by all that had the chance to not only know him, but talk to him.
Sergeant Sanfratello will be laid to rest Saturday. A growing memorial is now in place outside the Genesee County Sheriff's Office.